Bos Bray, kembali lagi bersama Samsu Edi. Oke Bos Bray, apa kabar semuanya? Semoga Bos Bray semuanya baik-baik saja. Lama tak bersua ya Bos Bray. Akhirnya ada kesempatan untuk buat tes jebak ini Bos Bray. Lama buatnya, baru ada kesempatan pergi ikut Bos Bray. Tuh ini spot kita Bos Bray. Tuh, paling mantap kalau seandainya kita gantung di sana. Tapi biasa Bos Bray, kita cari yang simpel-simpel saja. Ngapain naik tinggi di atas jika bisa rendah-rendah saja. Ya, pemikatnya, jebaknya sudah saya buka. Apakah jebak ini akan berhasil ya Bos Bray? Langsung kita pergi ke spotnya saja. On the spot. Spotnya paling mantap nih Bos Bray, di atas bukit. Dari sekarang pukul jam 4 lewat Bos Bray. Udah mau jam 5 kayaknya. Tuh pemandangannya Bos Bray. Kita pasang di sini Bos Bray ya. Hati-hati di sini. Curam Bos Bray. Oke, pelan-pelan. Pelan-pelan saja, jangan sampai ketutup nanti. Oke, mantap Bos Bray. Tuh, pas sudah setembal langsung to the point. Langsung ambil gaya dia Bos Bray. Rindu dia diajak Mika Bos Bray. Lama tidak diajak Mika, jadi mudah-mudahan nanti ada yang lewat. Ini pemandangannya Bos Bray, mantap, spotnya bagus. Mudah-mudahan ada yang lewat nanti ya Bos Bray. Oke, saya ambil tongsis, saya pasang nanti di sini Bos Bray. Ada yang mendekat Bos Bray, ada yang mendekat. Dekat Bos Bray. Tuh, berapa ekor Bos Bray? 3 ekor, 4, 5, banyak Bos Bray. Waduh, mana belum sempat lagi Bos Bray. Bos Bray sibuk-sibuk. Gimana ini? Gimana ini? Kalang kabut saya Bos Bray. Mana belum sempat lagi. Itu sudah ada mendekat semua Bos Bray. Langsung kita pasang saya Bos Bray. Bisa momennya tak dapat. Aduh. Ajit. Tidak lagi ya. Baru aja mau dipasang Bos Bray. Kita langsung pasang saja dulu. Tadi dia Bos Bray. Satu rombongan Bos Bray. Itu dia ya. Kelihatan gak Bos Bray? Kita zoom. Langsung kita pasang saja Bos Bray. Ntar dia hendak lari. Tuh dia terbang. Oke, cepat. Nanti keburu kabur. Karena kabut saya Bos Bray. Oke, kayaknya udah bagus ya Bos Bray. Kita fokus ke tengah. Oke Bos Bray, jangan lupa di subscribe ya Bos Bray. Subscribe, like, and comment. Aku pergi dulu.
no brain. Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, that I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. I know that I found somebody else to love me today. Don't realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you finding, see you looking down and out. Coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music, I'm saying.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. I know that I found somebody else to love me today. Don't realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye. Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain.
protect your soul.
Aduh, kirain sudah dapat bos bray, ternyata belum. Apa masalah ya? Ada problem kayaknya bos bray. Lama ndak pernah pergi mikat, kayaknya skill berkurang bos bray. Jadi berhubung karena sudah sore banget bos bray, kayaknya kita lanjutkan besok-besok lagi ya bos bray. Kenapa bro? Kok tidak dapat bro? Testing sangkar jebak pertama ini kok gagal ya bos bray. belum oke. Padahal banyak tadi yang mendekat bos bray. Ada apa gerangan? Ini tajaman air kok. Oke, bos bray. Sekian dulu video hari ini, kita lanjut besok-besok lagi bos bray. Cheers.